Incorporated to be approved on second, third, and final reading. What do you expect?
Sana po ma-approve.
Okay. Well, we will see. Let us see how they will consider. For those who would like to approve on second, third, and final reading of the formation,
Group of Sikaran in Tanay Rizal,
B.
be witness by just raising your right hand. All right. So therefore, your group, your Raven Sikaran Martial Arts Incorporated, Tanay Rizal, has been moved by BM Estonia Alarcon in lieu of our BM Bernardo Bupoy Bernardo.
To be approved, no? Unanimously, it has been demonstrated by the members of the Santoyan Council with 4 votes. Yes. Your incorporation has been approved finally.
Congratulations. Very good.
539/2025, resolution approving the accreditation of Raven Sikaran Martial Arts of Tanay Rizal. Although marami na po yung mga into martial arts sa ating probinsya, pero isa po ito sa mga
Manalo
talagang ating
Sa Cebu pa, Sampang, Aklan.
Aklan po. Latest po sa Aklan. This
Oh,
year.
wala bang Raven doon sa Aklan?